Archana and you're watching E! Now, and we are coming straight from Lakme Fashion Week 2012. A toast to style, glitz and glamour. Well, today is the grand finale night and the young guns of fashion are stealing the show. So let's head straight to all the action that promises to unfold.
I've been walking on the ramp, just wear either the jewelry or the dress and then just walk around. But today I danced, and it was more, it is me, because I've been performing for ages. So I had to just dance as Radha, because the concept for Neetaji's today's show was Radha.
How excited are you for the grand finale?
Oh, we're super excited about the grand finale. It's always the pinnacle of Lakme Fashion Week, and it's when the trends of the season come alive. And as with every year, this year Lakme is bringing a new trend to the season. This year's trend is called monochrome, and we will see that trend come alive with the likes of Kalol Datta and Pankaj and Nidhi.
What should one look forward to for this grand finale?
I have no idea. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are going to come with preconceived notions, but I guess both of us, we've just done what we do best.
I'm so happy that Karina is walking for us. She's in such super great shape, and we are so happy that she'll be donning our creations.
It fosters new talent, it gives birth to new talent, it gives birth to the stars of tomorrow. And also it's just a fantastic sort of youthful, dynamic energy here at Lakme Fashion Week, and we absolutely love that.
I think today, when I was asked to walk the ramp for Archana Kochar, she gave me, simple sari, and I said, listen, I got to put my spin on it, which is go completely vintage, a lot of antique jewelry, and just really give it like a bit of a very glam sort of, vintage look.
So we tried to recreate that whole retro era by doing geometric prints.
First time I walked, I remember I couldn't feel my legs. They were like jelly. And I thought I'm going to go out there and faint. But then I realized I'm not a model. I'm going out there as me. And the minute you go out there as yourself, you can't be nervous because you're you.
It was fun. It was a lot of fun, and there's so much drama that happens backstage. I didn't realize it till I came here to walk at the Lakme Fashion Week. But yeah, it's pretty intense.
I'm loving it. In fact, this is the first year where I've actually seen 2 shows. It's really nice to be here, and that too for Archana. I mean, everyone knows my relationship with her. I mean, we're family. So it's good to be here and support her.
It's always great to support Archana. It's always great to see fashion, taking over for that whole week.